It can kill or severely injure people and cause damage to property. Simple precautions when working with or near electricity and electrical equipment can significantly reduce the risk of injuries. Here are 10 electrical safety tips for the workplace to help you avoid electrical hazards. Number 1. Prevent all potential contact with live electrical current. Number 2. De-energize equipment and use lockout tagout. Number 3. Ensure safe use of electrical equipment. Number 4. Use grounded equipment such as ground fault circuit interrupters. Number 5. Install proper physical barriers around electrical hazards. Number 6. Beware of conductive tools and cleaning materials. Number 7. Always use required PPE while working on electrical equipment. Number 8. When working overhead, look above for electrical lines. Number 9. Use extreme caution with flammable materials. Number 10. Only qualified personnel should work on live electrical wires. You have the power to follow electrical safety.